Greetings, fellow humans. So a new kind of computer has arrived, and it's alive. Yes, literally, alive. In March 2025, Cortical Labs unveiled CL1, the world's first commercially available computer powered partly by human neurons. While the concept of using living neurons for computing has existed in research for decades, CL1 is the first brain cell computer that's available for purchase. The brain cells in CL1s started as human blood cells, which were reprogrammed into pluripotent stem cells by adding specific genes. These stem cells were then further processed into neurons, the brain cells that transmit information. And this nascent biotech intelligence not only processes information, it learns and adapts. Each CL1 uses about 800,000 human neurons grown in a laboratory, integrated into a silicon chip encased in nutrient-rich fluid, and connected with silicon-based electronics that send and receive electrical signals. And each CL1 is contained in a life support box, which includes pumps, gas systems, and temperature controls to keep the neurons alive for up to 6 months. Cortical Labs says this technology will facilitate a better understanding of how biological intelligence works, potentially create more efficient and adaptive computing systems, and lead to advances in machine learning and brain research. But as this wetware technology keeps advancing, questions about sentience, consciousness, rights, and ethical boundaries will likely grow more urgent. Is this the dawn of a great revolutionary computing era, or a step into morally uncharted territory? Even the language describing this technology, some calling the CL1 a flesh computer or body in a box, fuels anxieties about what happens when human brain cells merge with machines. Some ethicists wonder whether networks of human brain cells will become sentient or conscious. And if they do, what would that mean for how they're used and treated? There's no scientific evidence yet that these networks of neurons experience anything like human sentience or consciousness, but the debate continues, especially regarding the inevitable advanced wetware of the near future. CL1s are for sale to vetted customers for about €30,053, or $35,000, and are also available to rent remotely to vetted customers, offering scientists and researchers a chance to interact with a computer that, quite literally, thinks with actual living human brain cells. How creepy, how cool is that? Remember to click like and subscribe for any updates on wetware computing and other weird biotech news.